empty stairs, hopes and dreams in thin despair, veins of steel and hearts of stone. In the night we feel so alone. Street lights, confessions in the dark, lost souls searching for a spark. Echoes chanting in the night, fading truth we try by. Dancing in the moonlight glow, city lights begin to show. Hearts collide and feelings flow, lost in dreams we never show. Neon signs along the streets, chasing shadows, chasing beats, rhythms that our hearts repeat. In the night we find our heat, sky so high, stars align.